I'm no expert on backwards crossovers yet, but I have learned to do them in just a couple of hours with some cool exercises I made up. Let me show you. Let's go. Okay, I assume you can roll backwards, feet scissored with fist width apart already, but if you can't, then before the backwards crossovers, practice that. Now, let's get to the exercises. First, roll with a wide stance. One foot in front of the other, a whole skate's length. The foot behind you must roll on the outside edge. Most of your weight must be on that foot. Also, you must roll a little squatted, in other words, low. Okay, the next move to do is even weirder. Now you will roll legs crossed. Your foot behind also is on the outer edge, but most of the weight is now on the foot that is in front of you. Body is also leaned forward a bit. Side note, in all of these exercises, you have to keep your weight more on your toes, inside your boot I mean. Next, try to step to the same position while rolling. Shift your weight to the front at the same time you step. Try to hold that position for about 3 seconds after the step. Now, the last exercise. Push your back leg to gain speed. But before the push, go low. Put weight on your back foot, push and get higher and move your weight to the front foot. Then repeat the move to get some speed. Yippee-ki-yay! Now just combine the last two exercises and voila! You are doing the backward crossovers. Remember to move your body up and down to get a better balance and stronger push with your back leg. Well, anyway, I think that's all, and I'm wishing you a nice and dangerous day. And bye.